Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mayra over here. In today's video, I'm gonna be washing my hair. So basically, I've been 1 month with my hair straight. It doesn't look straight anymore because last week I was wearing a ponytail, so I had like my hair in a bun and then I had like some extensions at the back. So right now it doesn't look as straight as it was before. So yeah, I'm gonna get my hair washed and I'm gonna show you guys the process and explain the steps that I take after when I recover my hair from the flat ironing. This time I'm actually really scared that I might have got some heat damage from this beauty salon, so hopefully I didn't, and we're gonna see how my hair is gonna turn out after I wash it. And yeah, let's just get into it.
Okay, so this is how my hair is currently looking. I do have some residue from the gel I put in my hair when I did the ponytail. And right now I'm just combing my hair with a wide tooth comb. Make sure I detangle a little bit. Like I said at the beginning, it's not as straight as it was before. Right now, what I'm going to do, this is a step I never skip because I have dermatitis seborrheic. Quickly, I'm gonna take a small comb and I'm gonna go through my whole scalp. Well, not the whole thing because I can't see everywhere in my head, but I'm gonna go gently and like scrub off all the flakes on my hair. I know it looks disgusting, but this is my life. It is what it is. I do have some products that I use and they help me control this, but if I spend a month without washing my hair, this is how it's gonna look like. So yeah. Now see, this is why I have to be gentle because now I'm bleeding and I don't want that. And yeah, after that, I'm gonna just take some oils and I'm gonna rub them all over my hair. I usually go with coconut oil. I used to do tea tree oil, but honestly, it's a lot more expensive than coconut oil. So, and since I'm just using it to like scrub off the flakes from my scalp, it really doesn't need to be that very expensive oil. So I usually use coconut oil. I rub it all over my hair and I let it sit for a few minutes before washing my hair. And I didn't know where my coconut oil was, so I used this oil that I had in my hair product drawer. I'm gonna section my hair in 4 parts and I'm gonna go through each section making sure I rub it and scrub all that dirt out of my hair, to make the washing process easier and to make sure my hair stays clean for a while. After a few minutes, I'm gonna jump in the shower. I'm gonna run the water on my hair for a few minutes, maybe like 2-3 minutes, and until my curls start popping back up. I waited until all my curls are fully back and I took my shampoo. This shampoo is medicated. I concentrate the shampoo mainly on my scalp. I keep it in my scalp and then I just drag it down all over my hair, making sure I wash it all. I'm also gonna use this mane tail shampoo, I went to the beauty supply that day and I was looking for the conditioner, but I didn't find it. So I was like, let me try the shampoo and see if it's good. And it was actually pretty good. I feel like I need to wash my hair twice every session. And yeah. Don't play with your hair when you have shampoo on, because then it gets in your eyes and it's irritating. So this is how clean my hair is looking. My curls are looking beautiful. I'm so happy. My scalp is clean. And yeah, I'm just gonna section my hair in two parts, and I'm gonna use this conditioner from Mystic Divine. I got this from the Sally's Beauty in my area and it was pretty good. It's actually really good and it smells amazing. I went back to get some more. So I'm gonna use this to detangle my hair. I'm gonna first go and saturate my hair with the conditioner, and then I'm gonna take one of these combs that are like really flexible. I don't know how to exactly call them, but this comb, it's amazing for natural hair. I totally recommend it. This is the amount of hair I got from the tangling one part, and I'm just gonna like twist it and work on the other section. Again, I'm just gonna rub my fingers and saturate my hair with the conditioner, and then I'm gonna use the comb to actually detangle. I do not like to detangle with my fingers because I feel like I don't get as deep as I should and as deep as I get with the comb. I'm gonna rinse my hair. It looks so beautiful. I was so happy on how I didn't get any type of heat damage. I was super happy about that. And my hair for some reason looked so good. I don't know why, but it looked so good. I'm going to deep condition my hair, and I'm gonna use this hair mayonnaise mask. I loved it. Left my hair very soft. I actually had the deep conditioner in my hair for about 3 hours because I went to eat and I did other stuff in the meanwhile, and then I went back and I rinsed my hair again. And yeah, this is the final result. This is how my curls are looking like after a month of having my hair straight. I did not get any hair damage. However, I do need to trim my ends. I'll probably do that on another video. I hope it was helpful and informative. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button if you did like, and please let me know in the comment section what do you think, and if you have any type of question, just shoot it out. I'll respond. See you in my next video. Bye.